environment, safety, environment.
We talked with police and I told him this is not funny to make video and scare people. Probably this video not to break law, but still like afraid like women walk on the street. They have rights to walk on the street. Yeah, they came here to Canada to better life, to save, not to like someone afraid. And we surprised because this is a little community. We saw this video on social media, and when I saw this video, I right away called the OBB police, and I called my friend Terry, and they about 15 minutes they came or less, and we start talking about this video, and they did a good job, and we hope this later stop, and we talk to make this like thing happen, walk and speak. And we feel better. And we like this town, like we feel safe. But after this happening in London, I don't know what's going on.
Minto Township, which surrounds the three communities. And we have developed a huge binding between the communities and are really promoting diversity, and this is where your family belongs. So that's the statement, and we truly believe it.
We were really disappointed with when this thing happened in our little community, was that we don't feel that's the way we are, and if we have one person that moved into our area that is that way, we have to show our support for all our ethnic groups.